Sir, what according to you are the benefits of learning mathematics?
This can be answered at several levels. At the highest level, learning math should help you to think mathematically, which itself is a bouquet of different kind of skills. At the lowest level, mathematics helps you to navigate your daily life commercial transaction. You go to a shop, if you buy for something, how much should you pay? Or so that you don't end up by paying enormously more than what I should. Or whether the change is correct.
Correct.
Now, in between, math helps you with logical thinking.
Okay.
Like you read entire Euclid geometry. It's a beautiful exposition how from simple assumptions you keep on creating more and more perfectly logical.
Okay.
And you start understanding what is the meaning of logical. It helps you to start thinking logical. All of us are two parts of our being, emotion and logic.
Correct.
We sometimes totally mix up both. Certain things require logical approach, certain things require emotion.
Yes.
Math can bring you a lot of happiness.
Oh.
I'll give example from one of my schools. I was showing them activity, it's exploring numbers.
Okay.
The child's parent came next day, said, what is happening? Says, my son woke up at 10 o'clock until I came back from the ship. He insisted I go somewhere and get the chart paper. He goes the chart until 12 o'clock he was writing numbers. Okay, now it's called Collat's conjecture. Okay, there's a procedure, all numbers will end up with 1.
Okay.
So he filled up the entire chart and he seemed to be extremely
Happy.
So that kind of happiness,
The joy of mathematics.
then at a different level, math has got a lot of beauty. Many of the equations are light. For example, Einstein's most famous equation, e raised to I pi equal to minus 1. It is that's one of the most beautiful equations because it combines 5 important things in this world, e and pi and minus 1 0. So he said there's a lot of beauty. Mathematicians pursue this for that beauty. When he proves or reject to say that this looks too complicated, there should be a simpler way. So these are all the effects, and you can taste each of these as you proceed higher and higher. Now, some people have never appreciated beauty of math, and they are given opportunity. Like for example, last 50 years, study of fractals. Fractals are so beautiful images. It all comes out of very simple mathematics.
Okay.
So all these are effects of mathematics. Somewhere children should be exposed to these ideas, at least in a little way, so that they start looking at mathematics in a different. They should not think only mathematics is about multiplication, division.
Correct. It's much more to math.
So this is what is real purpose of learning. To go through an entire experience.
Appreciate the beauty of math.
Yeah, exactly.